Today we're gonna unbox some grill grates and some grease covers for the burners. It goes to my Jenn-air grill. We'll walk over in a little bit and go ahead and install these to make sure everything fits, and I'll put the link in the description below to both these products in case you have the same model number Jenn-air that I do or similar, that these items will fit. If you like the content, please smash that like button, share and subscribe. So let's get on with the unboxing. I think these will work nicely. Both these products were ordered off of Amazon. And again, I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, let's take these over to the grill and see if they fit. All right, it's a nice afternoon. Jenn-air grill here. Got the grease covers. I'm gonna set those in place. A little difficult to do this one-handed, but we'll get it. All right, that looks great. It's going to fit perfectly. Great. Now I'll be able to use my grill. I've got a couple up in the back of the house on the patio, but I wanted this one to be useful too. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Say bye, Tucker. Say bye.